So good morning guys, hope you're ready for today's video. I am actually completely ready. So let's see what we have for you guys today, or actually this week's video. It will be a Porsche 997 MK1 convertible. We already washed it yesterday and came out pretty nice. And today we're going to start with the paint correction. So we're going to put it here in the detail bay, clay bar the paint, polish the paint, put some Konomo wax on it as well. And yeah, what we're further going to do, I'm going to show you later on. But first I'm going to show you what kind of products we're going to use with washing the car. So these are the products we're going to use today. First of all, we're going to rinse off the car and put some snow foam on it. That in for like maybe 4 minutes to let all the dirt dissolve, and then we're gonna rinse the car off again. And after that we're gonna clean the car with pure shampoo, so car shampoo without any wax in it. We probably already said it before, but always try to use a dedicated product for everything. So no shampoo with wax, because you do not have then any good shampoo and not any good wax. So use a different shampoo and a special wax. That's very important. So when we have done that, fill the bucket with shampoo. We're going to clean it with our Duressa sponge, dry it with our Duressa drying towel as well. And then obviously we're going to clay bar the paint using our clay loop, so that we don't make any scratches, or at least not as much scratches. Interior should be cleaned as well. So we have two types. We have one interior light cleaner and also a strong cleaner. However, this interior is not that dirty, so we are safe with the light cleaner. And when we finish that, we're going to use the window cleaner to clean the windows. Obviously, we can also use the bugs off, but we don't have that many bugs on the car. And the wheel cleaner we're going to use as well. So these are all the products we're going to use for cleaning the 997. So now it's time to throw in some shots from yesterday when we detailed and cleaned the exterior of this 911. Most of you probably know that we specialize here in CG-Carworks on preserving and enhancing collector cars. And if you now also know somebody in your network with a very cool collector car, please send the link of our channel and show them our videos and what we do. Maybe it is something for them as well, and help us grow our business and make even cooler content. We just finished cleaning the paint with a clay bar, and the paint was very, very dirty. There was a lot of dirt baked into the paint. It was wet from color. So I guess maybe some overspray or some other dirt that was really baked into the paint. We always use this kind of clay bar. You can also have these towels which you can use when you wash your car, but that's not so precise when using this. So therefore we use this. Now, most importantly, the paint is clean. Most often when you polish the car, you do not really get the dirt out. Sometimes you do, but really depending on what kind of dirt is really baked into the paint. With clay, you mostly get it out. So that's what we did. It's now feeling very smooth again. And now it is time to polish. We have a few scratches on the back, actually all over the car, very light scratches. And then it is time to get some heavy gloss back into the paint, finishing it with a very cool wax. So let's go. The car has to be ready in 2 days, but that will be easy possible. So the paint is now completely waxed and looking very, very glossy. And since we finished this, we're gonna move up to the interior.
interior. First, a very cool brown color. I really like this. And second, you see an automatic gearbox. So this, the first model, the MK1 997, had a Triptronic automatic gearbox. And the later 997, so the facelift 997, they actually had the first generation of PDK gearbox. So that's very important to look out for if you want an automatic gearbox. And it is both totally fine, but the PDK is a double clutch gearbox and completely different from how this works. So to me, a very beautiful car. I really like the MK1 over the facelift. From looks, also the wheels, I just really love this kind of model. So we actually have to go over the complete car now, finish all the details, go over the wheels, the engine bay, check everything before the customer comes and picks it up, because then it has to be absolutely spotless. So let's go.
So now it is time to clean the engine bay. This one is actually a 3.6 liter 6-cylinder boxer engine. When you have the normal Carrera one, you have 325 brake horsepower, but in this case we have the S, so we have 355 brake horsepower.
So this is a Porsche 997 Carrera S convertible. You can recognize the S mainly by the wheels, and you can actually also have a Carrera with this option wheels, obviously, but most S's have these wheels. And also you can see that on the exhausts, because the S always has 4 exhausts and the normal Carrera has 2 bigger ones. This is also the MK1, so the pre-facelift. The facelift had different headlights as well. Also, I believe a few different things in the interior, different steering wheels, but that really comes into the details. Main difference is actually where you can recognize the facelift is on the headlights. When you have these red brake calipers, that also means that you have an S and not a Carrera. You can have that as an option, or you have it painted later on, but normally it is an S when you have red brake calipers.
So guys, thank you for watching again another video of our cleaning process of this 997. If you now also have a car like this and you want to fresh it up as well, please send us an email. We can definitely help you to fresh up your car. So please send us an email or WhatsApp, and then we will get in touch and see how we can help you. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next week.